at Cheyenne and 43 at Valentine. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 42 at Sioux Falls, 41 at Des Moines, 43 at Concordia, Kansas, and 41 at Denver. At Kansas City, it was partly sunny, with a
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During the potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm systems are conducted each Wednesday about 11:15 a.m. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test would then be postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This will alert you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. Emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeastern Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes that weekly test. We'll now return you to that regular programming.